Hi, this is Atif. Hope you're well, and welcome to the new update on Neocoin. And you are watching Moon333. And the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice. So please seek a duly licensed professional and do your own research for investment advice. Guys, the Neocoin has formed a really very big bullish harmonic pattern on the 2-week chart. I'll definitely show you that move later on in this video, but before that I want to show you some more bullish signals and patterns that the Neo is showing on a little bit small time period chart on the weekly chart. And before that I would like to share my previous idea with you guys. Back in September 2019 I just shared this idea when the Neo coin formed a bullish butterfly pattern on the daily chart, and I was expecting that it will produce up to 75% profit after entering in this buying zone or potential reversal zone. Now you can see that it turned really very strong bullish after just giving the spike in this buying zone and turned and gave more than 116% profit. So that was really very bullish. Now let's move to the live chart, and this is the weekly chart. Here we can see that the price line of Neo has formed a wedge, and at this time you can see that it has hit at the support of this wedge. The support of this wedge is at $5.46. This is really very strong support. It was built on, you can say, back in December 2018, and so far it is not broken down. Therefore, this is really very strong support, and after that, when the price line has hit at this support, it is turning again bullish. Even though this time we can see that the price line has hit the spike up to $4, but could not break down the support of the wedge, and we can see that there is not a single candlestick that has been closed below this support. We have only a spike beyond this support level, and now it is turning bullish. And if we see some indicators on the same weekly chart, for example, if we see the stochastic oscillator, then we can see that it has given the bull cross from the oversold zone. And if we see the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD indicator, then it was strong bearish. Now it is weak bearish. It is turned weak bearish, so it means that it is also turning bullish. And if we see the directional movement, then we can see that the directional indicator 1 plus, the D1 plus, that is the bullish line of the directional movement, is moving up, and the D1 minus, the directional indicator minus line, is moving down, and they are going to form a bull cross soon. And ADX at this time is moving down. I'm expecting when this D1 plus will cross up this D1 minus, and we will have a complete bull cross from these two lines, then the ADX will be moved up as well, and we will see a powerful bullish rally. And if I place the volume profile on the complete wedge, that is my favorite indicator, and that is really very useful indicator to determine at what level the traders are interested to trade, and to find the point of control that works as center of gravity for the price line and pulls the price line back towards itself. It works like a kind of pivot point, you can say. I'm just placing the volume profile on the complete price range, moving within this wedge, and we can see now that we have the traders' interest up to this level, a strong interest of the traders up to $6.81, and if we see this level, that goes up to $11.68 or 70 cents. And we have the point of control of this volume profile of this complete price range, that is $9.24, $9.30. So here, that was the reason when the price line moved down, where we had the traders' interest really very weak. Therefore, the price line turned bullish, and now it is moved back in the area where the traders are interested to trade, and now the price line can move at least up to point of control of the volume profile very easily. But I'm expecting this time it will go for make an attempt to have a breakout from this wedge. And I'll definitely show you the reason for that as well. And if we see the Ichimoku cloud on the same weekly chart, then we can see that the bearish cloud is turned really very weak at this time. Before that, it was very strong. Therefore, the neocoin never able to cross up the cloud since the bearish cloud has been appeared in the history of the neocoin. And now it is turned really very weak. And it will be really very big achievement for the neocoin if it will be able to break out from this cloud, because this would be for the first time ever in the history of the neocoin that the candlesticks will move up or cross up this cloud on weekly chart. And after that, we can see a really very, very powerful bullish rally. And if we see the lagging span of the Ichimoku cloud, then it is also turning bullish at this time. It is entered in the candlesticks or in the price line, and soon it will cross up the price line as well. And if we see the conversion line and the baseline as well, then you can observe here that the conversion line is just has touched the baseline at this time. I'm just making it disappear, the price line disappear, and now after that you can watch it more clear that the conversion line has hit the baseline at this time, and soon it will cross up the baseline as well, and that will be also really very bullish signal. And after that, we can also see that once we will have these two bullish signals more by the Ichimoku cloud, that the lagging span will cross up the candlesticks, and we will have a bull cross between the conversion line and the baseline as well. Then the cloud will be also turned bullish, and the candlesticks or the price line will be also turned bullish. Now let's move to the main chart, or the main pattern that I want to show you. And that is the bullish harmonic shark pattern that the neocoin has formed on the 2-week chart. This is a long-term chart, and it will need some patience. And you can see that this is the initial leg, and A to B leg is retraced between 0.382 to 0.618 Fibonacci level. And after that, we needed the retracement or Fibonacci projection between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci, and here we can see that it is retraced between that level. I have just ignored some extra spike, and after that it is dropped down up to 8.886 between 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci retracement level. And as per Fibonacci sequence of this bullish shark pattern, after the completion of this pattern, it should turn again bullish, and it should enter in the Fibonacci projection area of C to D leg from 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection. That is, realistically, we can say that now the price line will hit this zone, and that is up to $13.81. And once the price line will hit this area of $13.81, definitely it will also make an attempt to have a breakout from this resistance of the wedge, because this resistance is almost at the same level. And once the price line will be able to have a breakout from this wedge that is not broken out since, you can say, 2019, June 2019, and so far it is not, the price line is not able to break out this resistance of this wedge. Once it will be broken out, definitely price line can start a really very powerful bullish rally after having a breakout from this wedge. So this was the update so far by the neocoin. I'll definitely show you, and I'll definitely share with you more trading signals on the neocoin if I'll have more developments by the price action of the neocoin. If you like the video, then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel. Take care. Goodbye.